Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE no signal issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open Control Center and turn on mobile data. And after that, go back to your home screen and open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open General Management. Then here scroll down and click on reset, and then scroll down and click on reset network settings. Now here again click on reset settings to confirm, and after that enter your lock screen passcode. Now go back to settings and here click on apps and then click on this filter icon, and now here turn on show system apps. After that click on search and search SIM toolkit. Now open SIM toolkit and then go to the storage of SIM toolkit. Now here clear the app data and cache memory of SIM toolkit.